wheel. It's just a fairly rough wire wheel. Well, I'm going to try not and get the camera too wet, but I turned the block the other way, and then I can coat through the cooling jackets from here and down there too. I'll turn it over and get the lifter valley and the cylinders after I get this side. This is, I was going to use Easy Off oven cleaner, but I had this and I thought, well, I'll just use this, heck with it. But yeah, Easy Off does do a marvelous job of cleaning engines up. This is almost like Easy Off here. Alright, I'm going to let that soak while I get the pressure washer going. cylinders are already starting to get a little surface rust on them, but this will take it right off. I have a bucket of soapy water, and then I use this with dish soap. And when I'm done, I'll spray it all down really good with WD-40. Now I'll blow the oil galleries out, maybe later today or tomorrow. I got some things I gotta do. The sponge is starting to come out of the bores clean now. I'll take a white rag when I'm done and shouldn't get a speck of dirt. Use a mother-in-law's white glove. Alright, let's get ones on the other side. I don't think you need to see both sides. Alright, now I gotta rinse it off and dry it off and oil it up so it doesn't rust. Now, looks like I got the camera soaked. I don't have anything to dry the lens off with, just hopefully it shows up. wipe the cylinders down. So the block's all cleaned up. I put oil on all machine surfaces, the inside the lifter galleries, everything that's machined has oil on it. Parting surfaces. The cooling jacket's cleaned out really, really well. The cylinders are like clean cast iron. There's no rust on them whatsoever. The crud that came out of them was, well, there's not any light on this side, but the crud that came out of them was crazy nuts. So I'm going to get the intake manifold out and clean that up. I put oil on all the cam bearing where the cam bearings go in. Oil on this surface, oil on this surface, the head parting surfaces. So that'll hold it until I can clean the oil galleries out tomorrow or the next day. It'll probably be a couple of days because I gotta do a couple things up at my dad's. So let me get the intake out and go to town on it. Working on the intake manifold now. The water just sprays everywhere when I'm pressure washing this. It just blasts, ricochets. I'm soaked and I don't want to get the camera wet, so I am not going to video pressure washing this. So before I paint the engine, I'll clean it. When it's all 100% assembled, give it a quick shot of lacquer thinner, rinse it off, and then I'll prime it with a metal etching primer. Then we'll blow the Ford Blue on it. Cleaned up pretty darn good. Hit the like button if you enjoyed my video. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.